So welcome student. In our last class, we were doing the chapter triangle and its property. We have started the chapter triangle and its property, and today we will continue with the same part. Okay. So uh, let me first recapitulate what are the things we have done so far. Okay. So what are the things we have done so far? Let us recapitulate it once. So till now we have understood about what is triangle, isn't it? What are the various types of triangle? All these things we have known about. Then we have tried to find out, or we have tried to do certain problems related to angle sum property of triangle and exterior angle property of triangle. So in continuation with that, today also we are going to do one or two questions. So I will draw a figure. As you can see, I have drawn a figure. Okay. Now just see how I am drawing it. Okay. So this is the figure. Okay. This is the figure. Now let me mark the various angles of the triangle. Okay. So this is marked as okay. This is marked as 80 degree. Then this particular angle is marked as 50 degree, and this particular angle is marked as x. Okay. And you have to find out the value of x. How we are going to find out the value of x, that we need to see. To find out the value of x, what we need to do is that first we need to find out the value of this particular angle. Okay, let me mark this particular angle as A. Okay, so now see, what will be the value of A? Angle A will be equal to how much? Who can tell me? 80 degree. Who is that? Ayushmita. Very good. This will be 80 degree. Why this is 80 degree, Ayushmita? Yes, Ayushmita. Yes, this angle is equal to this particular angle because they are vertically opposite angle. So putting the reason is very important. Vertically opposite angles. I hope the screen is clear and you are able to see. Now this particular angle we have got, how much it is? 80 degree. This particular angle is always marked, or is already marked, that is 50 degree. Now to find out this particular angle is very simple. So you will write here, we know that what do we know from the figure, that 80 degree plus 50 degree plus x is equal to how much? is equal to how much? Archita Banik, can you tell me? 80 degree plus 50 degree plus x is equal to how much? Archita Banik, how much? Do you know what will be the answer?
Sir, 130 degree.
130 degree. Tulsi, can you tell me, Tulsi, what will be the answer?
180 degree.
Yes, it will be 180 degree. Is it clear, Archita? Why it is 180 degree, Tulsi?
Sir, because angle sum property.
Yes, very good. Thank you. Angle sum property. I hope it is clear, Archita. Okay. So 80 degree, this particular angle plus this particular angle plus this particular angle of the triangle will be equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of angle sum property. Now uh, yes, it will be answered by Riya Sahu. Riya, tell me, 80 plus 50 is equal to how much? 80 plus 50 degree is equal to how much? Riya,
130 degree, sir.
130 degree. Absolutely correct. Thank you. Plus x
Welcome,
is
sir.
equal to 180 degree. Now, now, uh, now, this particular angle or this particular value, we will take it to that particular side, isn't it? Can you tell me, Aditya Pandey? Can you tell me what we will do next? If I take it to that side, that means x is equal to 180 degree. Then how we are going to write 130 degree in that side? Can you tell me, Aditya?
What, sir? Sir, your voice is too low, sir. Can you say it again?
Okay, I'm repeating. Okay, I'm repeating once again. Wait. Okay, 130 degree. Can you see here 130 degree? Huh? If I take it
Yes,
to
sir.
that side, if I take it to that side, what will happen to 130 degree? Okay, Shantini, can you tell me how we are going to write it?
180 minus 130.
Yes, it will be 180 minus 130 degree. Why we have written minus? What is this method known as? Shantini, can you tell me what is this method known as?
Sir, transposition.
Uh, yes, transposition method. Very good. Transposition method. Okay. Now x is equal to Muskan Kano. Yes. Do the solution. 180 minus 130 is equal to how much?
50 degree.
50 degree. Okay. 50 degree. Aryan Chauhan, tell me, is she correct? 180 minus 30 is equal to 50.
30 is equal to 50.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So the required value for the x will be equal to 50 degree. All of you note it down. Then we are going to move on to the next part.
सर आपका स्क्रीन नहीं दिखा दे रहा है.
प्रॉपरली चेक करो. 2 नाम होगा मेरा वहाँ पे. और अगर प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है तो एक बार ये क्लास छोड़ के फिर से घुसो तो मिल जाएगा. Still some of the students have not opened their video mode. I'm very disappointed with this. Yes, open your camera, all of you. Yes, Bhargav, no need to give attendance. Directly it will be calculated. How much time also you are doing, that will also be calculated very easily. Okay, so we will do another question. We will try to do another question. Okay. Okay. Just see the figure. This is this kind of question generally comes. So it is not that different type of question. Very simple question, and I hope you will understand also very easily. Okay. So this is the figure. Can you tell me? Okay. No need to tell anything. Just going to mark the values. So in this particular figure, this particular angle is marked as 50 degree. Then this particular angle is marked as 60 degree, and this particular angle is marked as y, and this particular angle is marked as x. Okay, I hope my voice is audible. Now in this particular figure we have to find out the value of y as well as x. We have to find out the value of y as well as x. Okay, so try to think a little bit what can be done. Okay, see, Parsha, I'm going to ask you. So before that, just try to see properly what is there. In this particular triangle, yes, just listen, okay? Switch off your mic and just listen. Okay, switch off your mic and just listen, Parsha. So this particular angle is 50 degree, this particular angle is 60 degree, and this particular angle is y. So what you will do to find out the value of y? Y का वैल्यू निकालने के लिए क्या करोगे या क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग? कुछ आइडिया है?
Sir, y equal to x.
Y equal to x. No, it is not like that. Okay, no problem. You sit and listen properly. हाँ, दूसरा लोग क्या बोलते हैं, देखते हैं क्या बोलते हैं. गायत्री मित्र, tell me, 50 degree, 60 degree y. What can we do to find out the value of y? It seems Gayatri is also a little bit confused. Mira, 50 degree, 60 degree y. What can we do? 50 degree, 60 degree and y. What can we do to find out the value of y? Any relation do you remember?
I forgot.
Okay, who can answer me?
Can I?
Name.
The Panchul Kashyap.
Panchul
Sir, can
Kashyap.
I?
Right.
Panchul Kashyap. Wait, let me search Panchul Kashyap. हाँ बोलो Panchul Kashyap.
The three interior angles have a relation that all three interior angles sum is 180 degree. So for this
Yes.
y, we have to first add 60 and 50, then we have to subtract it from 180. Then we will get
Okay.
the answer of y.
Yes, that means 50 degree plus 60 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree, isn't it? And 50 degree plus 60 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. And what is the reason for this relation? It is because of angle sum property. I have written in very shortcut, but you are going to write it in full. Angle you will write in full. Okay, angle sum property. Now 50 plus 60 is equal to how much? Milli? 50 degree plus 60 degree is equal to how much, Millie?
110.
Yes, okay, absolutely correct. It is 110 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now uh, y will be equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree by the method of which method? Ankita Mighty, can you tell me which method? 110 I have taken it to that side. Tell me. Yes, it is transposition method. Okay, we will not write the reason here, but we just need to know that it is transposition method. Okay, so 180 minus 110 is equal to how much, Hirokjyoti? Yes, I can't hear you, Hirokjyoti. Just volume high करो तो थोड़ा. हाँ, कितना?
20.
70 degree. Okay, so we have got the value of y, isn't it? Now the next part that we need to find out is the value of x. Now let me search whom I can ask. आदित्य पांडे, तुम्हारा स्क्रीन ब्लू आ रहा है, ऑन करने से बेटर था. And few students have still not switched on their video. Okay.
Sir, can I rejoin
Jhanam.
because of my camera?
Okay, you can go out and join again. Dhyanam, how can we find out the value of x? Can you help me out? Dhyanam. Okay. Shaumalya.
Yes, sir.
Can you help me out how we can find out the value of x?
Sir, x is equal to y.
X is equal to y. No. X is equal
Sir,
to y. No. Who's that?
Sir, Viraj there.
Biraj, tell me.
Sir, exterior angle property.
What we will write?
X is equal to 50 plus 60.
Yes. X is equal to 50 degree. X is equal to 50 degree plus 60 degree. And the reason is exterior angle property. This was very simple. Exterior angle property. Okay. So x will be equal to sum of the two remote interior angle. Please switch off your mics. Somebody has switched on their mic. Switch it off. Okay. So x is equal to sum of the two remote interior angle, that means 50 degree and 60 degree. Okay, I hope it is clear till this much. So 50 plus 60 is equal to 110 degree. So this is your required answer. All of you note it down. Abu, sit properly. Abu Talha, sit properly. You are not here to sleep, is it not? Next time be careful. Switch on your camera, Abu. Otherwise leave the class. And why you are not writing anything? Where is your pen and paper? This is the way you come into the class. Okay. Now I'm moving on to the next particular question. I hope all of you have done it till this much. Everything is on record, so be careful. Huh? Okay, so I'll draw another triangle. I hope you can see the figure clearly. So in this particular figure, this particular angle is marked as y. Abu, keep on writing, huh? And this particular angle is marked as x. This particular angle is marked as 30 degree, and this particular angle is marked as 60 degree. Okay, so we need to find out the value of x. Now it is very simple. Uh, Let me ask. Okay. Swagata Ghosh is here. Swagata Ghosh. I think she is absent today. Mridhu Pawan. Mridhu Pawan, please place your camera in a proper manner so that I can see your face. Mridhu Pawan and Aditya Pandey, please put your camera in a proper position so that I can see your face. Okay, can you tell me, Mridhu Pawan, what will be the value of x? Leon Rajkumar, Shreyashi, Gyandeep Singh, Shravana Kumar, open your camera. Yes, Mridhu Pawan. Can you tell me? Leon, switch on your camera. Gyandeep Singh and Shravana Kumar. Shravana Kumar, can you tell me? Shravana. Shravana, uh, tell me what will be the value of x? Okay, I'm getting no response from Shravana. Uh, if you can't, you can simply say that, sir, I am unable to solve it. That's simple. Muskan Kanu, what will be the value of x? Muskan Kanu, what will be the value of x?
Sir, 60 plus 30 degree.
No. Pranab,
Can I?
oh, wait. Pranab Orang,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me what will be the
Yes,
value
sir.
of
X
x?
is equal to 60 degrees.
Yes, x is equal to 60 degree. Why x is equal to 60 degree?
Sir, vertical
What will be
opposite
that?
angle.
Yes, it will be vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle can, in short form, you can write as V full stop O full stop A. Vertically opposite angle. Okay, thank you. Okay, now we have got x is equal to 60 degree. X is equal to 60 degree we have got. Can we find out the value of y? Can we find out the value of y? We will see that.
Yes.
Okay, so for that I'll ask. For that I'm going to ask
Sir,
Rohit. Rohit De. Help me out, Rohit. Rohit De. Help me out.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Can you help me out how we can find out the value of y? Hmm? Okay, let me help you out a little bit. So y plus 30 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Can you tell me the reason why I have written this?
Sir, angle sum property.
Who has given me the answer? Who has given me the answer? Angle
Sir, Panshu.
sum. Okay, good. Angle sum property. So y we don't know. 30 degree will remain 30 degree, and x we have already got it is 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so y is equal to 30 plus 60 is equal y plus 30 plus 60 is equal to 90 degree, 180 degree, or y is equal to, we have done so many na, 180 degree minus 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. So this is your required answer. Do it.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, my
Yes.
charge is very. Can I give charge?
Do it. Amjita Begum, Krishna Chetia, then Dheer Kumar Yadav. If you are in the class, then you have to switch on your camera. As simple as that. Or else you are very much free to leave the class. Nobody is forcing you to be here. And Jia Datta, Jia, Krishna, Dheer. Switch on your camera, as simple as that, or else you are free to leave the class, no problem. If necessary, I may ask you to wear uniform and sit from next. Jia Datta, open your camera. Jia, why I have to say so many times Jia to open your camera? Okay, I hope you have done till this much. Let us move on to next particular question. Okay. There is a very interesting question. I'm drawing it with the pencil itself, so drawing might not be very beautiful. So this is the figure. This is equal to x. This is equal to y. This is x. This is equal to y. Okay. Can you see the figure clearly?
No, sir, X.
Yes, sir.
The figure is this. You have to find out the value of x as well as y. Okay. So let us mark this particular angle as how much? Let us mark it as A, and this one as B. A and B. Okay. We will find out the value of A and B first. Okay. So A is equal to how much? X, and B is equal to how much? X. Reason, vertically opposite angle. Okay. In place of y, can we write y is equal to x? Reason will be same, vertically opposite angle. सेम रीजन है, तो मैं यहाँ पे डू लिख सकता हूँ. ठीक है. तो इधर देखो, ध्यान से देखो. हाँ, मैं कलर चेंज कर देता हूँ थोड़ा. ये भी, इसका भी वैल्यू x है, b का भी वैल्यू x है, y का भी वैल्यू x ही है. इसका मतलब इसका सारा इंटीरियर एंगल का वैल्यू कितना है? हाँ, इसका सारा इंटीरियर का वैल्यू कितना है? यस.
Sir, X.
सर सर ये आपने y इक्वल टू x ब्रैकेट में क्या लिखा है?
ये do means this one and this one same na reason. That's why we will not write it two times. Directly we can write do in the second time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Switch off your mic. Okay. तो सब इंटीरियर एंगल का वैल्यू x है, तो कैन वी राइट here as x plus x is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property, ठीक है. Then 3x is equal to 180 degree और x is equal to 60 degree. कैसे 60 डिग्री होगा ये मैं दिखा देता हूँ. 180 डिग्री divided by 3 is equal to 60 degree. That means all the interior angle is equal to 60. ठीक है, all the interior angle is equal to 60. इसका मतलब क्या देखो, हाँ, सब x का वैल्यू कितना है, x का सारा का वैल्यू कितना है 60. that means this is equal to 60 degree, this is equal to 60 degree, this is also equal to 60 degree, isn't it? ध्यान से देखो, अगर x 60 है तो मुझे बस इतना बताओ y कितना होगा. तन्मय द्वारा, अगर x 60 है तो y कितना होगा.
60.
यस, गुड. x अगर 60 है तो y भी 60 ही होगा. y, क्योंकि y इज इक्वल टू x मुझे यहाँ पे मिला था ना 1 नंबर इक्वेशन में. यहाँ पे लिखो फ्रॉम 1 y इज इक्वल टू x. तो यहाँ पे मैं लिख सकता हूँ ना, जगह नहीं है, मैं इधर लिख रहा हूँ. हाँ, y इज इक्वल टू x था तो y इज इक्वल टू x के जगह पे मैं लिख सकता हूँ 60 डिग्री. Hence we have got the value of x and y. X is equal to 60 degree, y is also equal to 60 degree. Note it down everyone. हो जाए तो मुझे बोलना.
Sir, finish.
Sir, done.
Not done.
Sir, done.
Not
done, sir.
Sir, done.
Okay, quietly do your work. I am giving 2 minutes to
Done.
note it down. I am giving you 2 minutes to note it down. Don't talk. Turja Pandit, Bhairav Jyoti Dihingia, your camera is off. Switch it on. Then Devashri, your camera is off. Switch it on. Devashri, or else I will call you after the class is over. Why you have kept off your camera? हाँ, मैं कॉल लगाऊंगा इसके बाद, क्लास खत्म होने के बाद. क्या पता मैं कॉल लगा सकता हूँ. कैमरा क्यों ऑफ है? देवश्री, देन युगमालाकार.
सर मैं
Switch on.
बैटरी also देखता हूँ.
सर
Okay.
मुझे एक डाउट है.
हाँ, कौन?
मिस मिली चक्रवर्ती.
ओके, मिली.
हाँ, तो सर वो इन द सेकेंड इक्वल टू आपने लिखा है ना, x इज इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री माइनस 3 इक्वल्स टू 60 डिग्री. उसके लास्ट वाले में y इज इक्वल्स टू x, उसके बाद ब्रैकेट में फ्रॉम 1. सर वो
हाँ.
फ्रॉम 1
फ्रॉम 1 में बता रहा हूँ. ये देखो, ये पर्टिकुलर में कलर चेंज कर देता हूँ तो दिखेगा अच्छे से. Okay. ये वाला देखो, ये देखो, x इज इक्वल टू या फिर y इज इक्वल टू x हम लोगों ने निकाला था. y इज इक्वल टू x. क्यों है y इज इक्वल टू x? बिकॉज दे आर वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल. ओके, इसी इक्वेशन को मैंने 1 दिया है, नाम एक दिया है 1. ठीक है, तो नीचे जब मैं लिखूंगा ना y इज इक्वल टू x, मैं किस बेसिस पे लिख रहा हूँ? मैं इस बेसिस पे लिख रहा हूँ. इस बेसिस पे मैं लिख रहा हूँ कि y इज इक्वल टू x मैंने पहले निकाला हुआ था. और इसका मैंने एक नाम दिया था इक्वेशन 1। इसी बेसिस पे मैं लिख रहा हूँ y इज इक्वल टू एक्स फिर से, तो थोड़ा हेल्प के लिए ताकि समझ में आए, इसलिए मैं ब्रैकेट में लिख दूंगा फ्रॉम 1 रीजन। पहला वाला क्वेश्चन एक बार देख लो, जो भी चेक करेगा उनको पता चलेगा अच्छा ये वाला इक्वेशन मुझे देखना है, नंबर 1 इक्वेशन। इसका मतलब वहां से देख के, यहाँ से देख के मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है y इज इक्वल टू एक्स। तो x का वैल्यू कितना है, x का वैल्यू 60 है, तो y इज इक्वल टू 60। आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड।
Yes, sir. Sir, one more thing.
यस,
मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए कैमरा ऑफ कर सकती हूँ?
हाँ ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम। पूछ के कैमरा अगर कभी ऑफ करना पड़ा तो यू कैन डू दैट। ओके, नाउ वी विल मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट पर्टिकुलर पार्ट। ये वाला फिगर थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है। क्यों इंटरेस्टिंग है? क्योंकि इसमें वैल्यू शायद ना रहे, तो इसका कलर अलग आ गया है ट्राइंगल का। चलो, ब्लू कलर का ट्राइंगल है, देखो। हाँ, ये जो फिगर है ये एक ट्राइंगल है ना। ये किस टाइप का ट्राइंगल है वी डोंट नो, इजंट इट? व्हाट टाइप ऑफ ट्राइंगल इट इज, डू यू नो? वी डोंट नो। Now you can tell me what is the type of triangle. I'm going to ask somebody. Huh? Don't pop up and answer. Turja. Turja. Tell me what type of triangle is this?
Sir, isosceles triangle.
Very good. Ansumi, can you tell me why it is isosceles triangle? Ansumi. Ansumi, switch on your mic. Ansumi Chetia. Your mic is off. हाँ. Can you tell me the answer?
Sir, don't know.
Okay, it's okay. Shayantani, back to Shayantani. Tell me.
Sir, there is two equal to sign are there.
These are not equal to sign. They are just resemblance. Okay, to show that both the sides are equal. Okay, you are correct. Okay, you are correct. These two sides are equal. Na? These two sides are equal. That's why it is an isosceles triangle. Now, in this particular angle, it is marked as it is 40 degree. Okay, and this particular angle is marked as x. You are asked to find out the value of x. So Devashri, you tell me what could be the value of x? Devashri, what could be the value of x? x का वैल्यू कितना हो सकता है तुम्हारे हिसाब से? Devashri, switch on your mic. You can answer me. रॉन्ग होने से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं पता, नहीं पता। चलो, ये कुछ तुलसी, कैन यू टेल मी? What will be the value of x?
40 degree minus 180 degree minus 40.
No. Okay, I will help you out.
Sir,
Who's that?
Sir,
Who's that?
Panch-
Panchul. Okay. Yes. X will be equal to 40 degree. Can you tell me, Panchul, why x is equal to 40 degree? Because writing reason
Sir,
is very much important.
because in isosceles triangle, its opposite sides are also equal and its opposite angles are also equal.
It's not opposite. You have to write base angles of an isosceles triangle. Base angles.
Sir, base angles.
It's okay. Base angles of an isosceles triangle. All of you note it down. ये इतना में ही इसका आंसर खत्म, इतना ही लिखना है। इसमें ये जो रीजनिंग आउट हम लोग किया है ना, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। इम्पोर्टेंट, यही तुम्हारा मार्क्स कैरी करेगा, ये जो रीजन लिखा है, क्योंकि ये एक स्टेप का आंसर है, ये एक स्टेप का आंसर है, इसके लिए यही वाला पार्ट बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट। ओके, लेट अस मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट पर्टिकुलर पार्ट। तुम लोग का दूसरा क्लास भी है ना, कितना बजे से है?
9.
9। ओके, वी हैव एनफ टाइम, वी हैव एनफ टाइम। मैं 1 घंटा का पूरा क्लास ले सकता हूँ और 15 मिनट में कराऊंगा, ठीक है? ओके, मैं एक और फिगर ड्रॉ करता हूँ एंड ध्यान से देखो ये फिगर एंड आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन द फिगर। ओके, तो ध्यान से पहले देखो, बातचीत मत करो। और डेफिनेटली यू हैव टू डू इट इन योर नोटबुक, या फिर ऐसे देख के भी रख दो। क्या होगा ना, ये मैं रिकॉर्डिंग में है, तो ये जो पूरा क्लास है इट विल बी इन रिकॉर्ड, तो ये आफ्टर द क्लास इज ओवर, ये दिस विल बी इन द एप्लीकेशन इन रिकॉर्डेड मोड, और you may find it in my YouTube channel also, the whole class. You can note it down from there. अभी ज़्यादा सब्जेक्ट के समझ लो जी, वो ज़्यादा बेटर होगा। So in this particular figure, this and this is being marked, and this particular angle is marked as 50 degree, and this particular angle is marked as X. Now I am going to ask Mohsin, can you tell me what will be the value of X, Mohsin? X is equal to how much?
So
Okay, I think you are finding it difficult. Who can answer me? Except Panchul. Panchul will not answer. Ah, who's that?
Sir,
Surja. Tell me.
sir, 50 degrees.
50 degree. Excellent. Why it is 50 degree?
Sir, base angles of an isosceles triangles are equal.
Base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal भी तुम लोग लिख सकता है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ठीक है? Okay, so now another triangle I will be drawing. You just see carefully. ये थोड़ा अलग हो सकता है, ध्यान देके देखो। Switch off your mic. Who's that? माइक ऑफ करो, किसी का माइक ऑन है? ये तुलसी का माइक ऑन है, अभी मैंने ऑफ कर दिया, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। ओके, ये फिगर को मैं थोड़ा ऐसे घुमा देता हूँ। So this angle is marked as 40 degree. This is marked as X. We have to find out the value of X in this particular part. See carefully. This question is little bit different. Okay. Now, what will be the value of this particular angle? Panchul?
Sir, X.
Yes, this will be X. Okay, so how we are going to write? We know that X plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. Angle sum property. Okay. ध्यान से देखो, बेस एंगल कब होता है मैं थोड़ा बता देता हूँ। सोचो कि ये वाला साइड और ये वाला साइड इक्वल है, ध्यान से देखो। हाँ, सोचो कि ये वाला साइड और ये वाला साइड इक्वल है, तो ये जो एंगल होगा ना और ये जो एंगल होगा, इन दोनों को कहा जाएगा बेस एंगल, एंड दे विल बी इक्वल। ठीक है, अभी देखो, अगर ये वाला साइड और ये वाला साइड इक्वल है, ध्यान से देखो सब लोग, If this side and if these two sides are equal, then this angle will be equal to this angle, because they are base angles of an isosceles triangle and they will be equal. I hope it is clear. फिर से देखो, if this particular side and this particular side is equal, okay, then Millie, you tell me, this particular angle will be equal to which angle? This one, Millie?
Sir,
If these two sides are equal,
this angle
if
will be.
you just listen, huh? These two sides are equal given, na? Then this particular angle will be equal to this particular angle. Is it?
Yes, sir.
No. This will be equal to this particular angle. These are base angles. Okay. ये थोड़ा ध्यान रखना सब लोग. चलो. So x plus x is equal to 2x plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then 2x then 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree. Okay, Priya Shah, tell me 180 minus 40 is equal to how much, Priya? 180 minus 40 is equal to how much, Priya?
140 degree.
Good, 140 degree. So 2x is equal to 140 degree. Chinmoy, 2x, इधर 2x है.
Yes, sir.
So x will be equal to
So x will be equal to 140 by 2.
is equal to how much? 140 divided by 2 is equal to,
Sir, can I say?
70.
Sir,
70.
yes, it will be 70 degree, correct. So x is equal to 70 degree. Hope you all have understood. So note it down and then we are going to move on to next particular part. 47 minute हो गया, हम लोग पूरा 1 आवर करेगा आज का क्लास. अभी भी तुम लोग का ये नहीं आया है, नेक्स्ट क्लास का वो लिंक नहीं आया है, so we will do full.
Sir, only 4 has sent some message in WhatsApp.
हाँ, yes, okay. Next particular question. किसी का माइक अगर ऑन है तो ऑफ कर लो. Okay. So the next figure is like this. Let us see. So I hope the figure is given in your book. You can also tally it from there. Okay, ये सेम फिगर तुम लोग का बुक में भी होगा, तो प्रॉब्लम का बात नहीं है. तुम लोग ड्रॉ कर सकते हो ये वाला फिगर को. देखो, in this particular figure, this particular angle is marked as 92 degree. Then it is mentioned that these two sides are equal. Okay, and one more thing is given, that is this particular side is extended. Okay, and this particular angle is equal to y and this particular angle is equal to x. So you have to find out the value of x and y. The figure is a little bit complicated, but it is not that difficult. इट इज क्वाइट इजी, आई वुड लाइक टू से। ओके, यहाँ पे मैं एंगल्स को मार्क करता हूँ। इसको मैं एंगल नंबर 1 दे देता हूँ, डिग्री नहीं है, हाँ, ये एंगल का नाम है 1। एंड इसको मैं एंगल नंबर 2 दे देता हूँ। ध्यान से देखो, एंगल 1 विल बी इक्वल टू 92 डिग्री, रीजन vertically opposite angle, simple. Then angle 2 is equal to x, angle 2 is equal to x, base angles of an isosceles triangle, ठीक है। देखो, तो 1 का वैल्यू मुझे निकला कितना, 92 डिग्री। 2 का वैल्यू आई हैव गॉट इट एज x। सो वी नो दैट angle 1 plus angle 2 plus x is equal to 180 डिग्री। इंटीरियर एंगल सारा प्लस करने से 180 डिग्री होगा, रीजन है एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी। ओके, नाउ एंगल 1 का वैल्यू है 92 डिग्री, एंगल 2 का वैल्यू है x, ये भी x है, इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री। देन x प्लस x इज इक्वल टू 2x, और ये जो 92 है ये इधर चला जाएगा, तो होगा 180 डिग्री माइनस 92 डिग्री। सो क्योंकि बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट ने अपना कैमरा ऑन नहीं रखा हुआ है। वर्षा कुमारी विल आंसर में। वर्षा, अब बोलो तो 180 माइनस 92 कितना होगा?
88 डिग्री।
हाँ, 88 डिग्री। ओके, गुड। सो 2x is equal to 88 degree. 2x is equal to 88 degree, or x will be equal to 88 degree divided by 2, which is equal to 44 degree. तो मुझे x का वैल्यू निकल गया ना, मुझे x का वैल्यू मिल गया। x का वैल्यू कितना है? x का वैल्यू है 44 डिग्री। 1 का वैल्यू कितना है? 92 डिग्री। वी कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट एंगल y. y विल बी इक्वल टू 92 डिग्री प्लस 44 डिग्री, 92 डिग्री प्लस 44 डिग्री। y इज इक्वल टू मैं इधर ऐसे दिखा रहा हूँ, रेड मीन से मार्क करके, y इज इक्वल टू ये एंगल नंबर 1 का वैल्यू है 92 डिग्री, 92 डिग्री प्लस 44 डिग्री, x का वैल्यू 44 है। क्यों? एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी, ओके। सो
सर
हाँ,
2 मिनट के लिए कैमरा ऑफ करो क्या?
ओके। एंगल y is equal to 92 degree plus 44 degree is equal to how much? Shaumalya.
यस सर।
हाँ, tell me, 92 degree plus 44 degree is equal to how much?
136
degree. Yes, Millie, is he correct? 136 degree. Millie, 92 degree plus 44 degree is equal to 136 degree. Is he correct?
Sir, I count and I got the answer is 146.
Huh? How much?
Sir,
Add it. You add it. Millie, you add it first. Add it first. Add 92 plus 44. Add. Then you tell me the answer. How much you have got?
136.
It is 136 degree. Absolutely correct. Okay. So all of you have noted it down, or you will note it out afterwards. I leave it up to you. Next, last, most probably. Today we will stop after doing this. Okay. Actually, today we will stop with a question, you may say. Okay. So this is a triangle, huh? This is a triangle. Okay. I mark the triangle as A, B, and C. Okay. I mark the triangle as A, B, and C. ये जो ट्राइंगल बना है, ठीक है, ये जो ट्राइंगल बना है उसका कुछ कुछ प्रॉपर्टी होता है ना, या फिर एक ऐसा प्रॉपर्टी है, या तुम बोल सकते हैं कि ट्राइंगल बनने के लिए साइड का अरेंजमेंट, हाउ द साइड्स आर टू बी अरेंज सो दैट अ ट्राइंगल इज फॉर्म्ड. शायद ज्यादातर स्टूडेंट को समझ में नहीं आया होगा, तो मैं बता देता हूँ क्या है. मतलब ट्राइंगल फॉर्म होने के लिए साइड्स को, हर एक साइड, ये वाला साइड, ये वाला साइड, ये वाला साइड, हर एक साइड को कुछ एक स्पेशल प्रकार से रहने का जरूरत है. इट इज़ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट कि हर एक साइड एक डेफिनेट टाइप में रहे. और वो डेफिनेट टाइप क्या है कि कोई भी तुम दो साइड को पकड़ो, सोचो कि ये वाला साइड और ये वाला साइड को पकड़ो और इन दोनों को ऐड कर दो, इन दोनों को ऐड कर दो. इट शुड बी ग्रेटर देन द थर्ड साइड. इट शुड बी ग्रेटर देन द थर्ड साइड. कोई भी एक ट्राइंगल को पकड़ो, हाँ, दो साइड को ऐड करो और तुमको थर्ड साइड से ऑब्वियसली हमेशा ज्यादा ही निकलेगा. ये एक रूल है. तो सोचो कि मैं एक क्वेश्चन लिख रहा हूँ, हमेशा ज्यादा होना है, याद रखना. सोचो कि ये एक अरेंजमेंट है, साइड्स का अरेंजमेंट है, और मैंने तुमको पूछा, आई हैव आस्क्ड यू ऑल वेदर इट इज पॉसिबल टू ड्रॉ अ ट्राइंगल, whether it is possible to draw a triangle of this particular side. The question is
No, sir.
हाँ.
No, sir.
तो क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि मैं पहला दो अरेंजमेंट लेता हूँ. 2 + 3 कितना होगा? 2 + 3 5 होगा ना, इक्वल टू 5. हाँ, तो ये थर्ड एंगल, जो थर्ड वाला साइड है ना, जो थर्ड साइड है उसके साथ इक्वल आ रहा है. और मैंने क्या बोला था? इट शुड बी ग्रेटर. दो साइड को प्लस करो और वो थर्ड साइड से बड़ा आना चाहिए. जैसे कि 3, 6, 7. सोचो कि सारा सेंटीमीटर में है. 3 + 6 करो, कितना होगा?
Sir, 9.
Yes, 9. 9 is greater than 7, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, अभी 6 + 7 करो, कितना होगा?
Sir, 13.
13.
13.
13.
13.
Sir,
And it is
13.
greater than, yes, 13 is greater than 3, isn't it? अभी फिर से देखो, 3 and 7 को प्लस करो.
Sir, 10.
Sir, 10.
Sir, 10.
Which is greater than 6, isn't it? That means, can we draw a triangle of this particular measurement?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So with this, we will stop our today's class. So this next day we will continue with this particular topic. Okay. ये आज जस्ट मैंने एक इंट्रो देके रखा हुआ है इसका. नेक्स्ट टाइम we are going to continue with this particular part. So do you have any question regarding today's class? You may ask. 2 मिनट में देता हूँ. किसी का कुछ क्वेश्चन
No, sir.
पूछ सकता है. किसी का माइक ऑन है? ऑफ करो. किसका है मुझे नहीं पता. ये तुर्चे पंडित का है. और तुर्जे पंडित, किसी का कुछ डाउट है? और किसी का कुछ डाउट है तो पूछो। Okay. So we will stop here. Thank you everyone. You have your another class. You can join that particular class. ठीक है?
सर अटेंडेंस
अटेंडेंस हो गया, ऑटोमेटिकली अटेंडेंस जनरेट हो जाएगा, मैं भेज दूंगा सबका अटेंडेंस।
सर अभी
थैंक यू। हाँ अभी मैं भेज दूंगा, थोड़ा देरी में ही मैं भेज दूंगा अटेंडेंस। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे। बाय बाय।
बाय बाय सर।
बाय
सर।
बाय सर।
बाय बाय। बाय।
सर
इसका ये पूरा क्लास तुम लोग को यूट्यूब में भी मिल जाएगा। हाँ डोंट वरी। किसी का अगर कुछ बाकी रह गया लिखना वगैरह तो तुम लोग लिख सकते हैं। ओके बाय।
ओके सर।
बाय एवरीवन, यू मे लीव।
हेलो
बाय सर।
यस यस अबू ताला।
सर ये विराज डे है ना, ये ना हम लोगों को क्लास के समय में व्हाट्सएप में मैसेज करके बोलता है वीडियो ऑन कर।
ओके ऑल ऑफ यू लीव।